that the sperm is look different, that's mean different types. Okay, but that's still the same family. Different type, same species. If they're not completely ripe, it's impossible they never become flower like this. So let me show you later on we have different type. Sometimes that looks the same, but it's the life of the sperm is different. Right? What do we call? I don't know the scientific name. I know what's Thai name and the common name in English. So we call the stoke. Stoke wood or stoke trees. So do that the Hill tribe people we use that we collect a lot of herbal plants. Này, mà toไปสูงแล้วนั่นน่ะหอมเลยนะ
โอ้นี่เป็นน้ำนะ
อันนี้ยอดมันก็กินได้เนี่ยพอเป็นน้ำเป็นลูกผู้ชายก็นี่เห็นน้อยก็ Before to do it, you cut that right here and here. Okay, so that means the water, the bottle still can set up to the top, and when you cut that one, that split minimum 1 more, maximum 4 more. And okay. มาขี่พ่อเสื้อพ่อโอเค
นี่ได้เยอะเลยเนาะตัดไก่ลง
about this much okay and you just keep doing okay when the water is run out
What the that?
and then you get more water now go
อร่อยดี
okay this is still small okay it's still small
กินเหมือนอ้อย
ใช่ไม่ถ้ามันทำอาหารก็ได้นะจ๊ะถ้ากินหมดเลยก็ได้ไม่เป็นไรสิคุยสิคนเดียวสิถ้าเราสิคุยเลยวะดูเอาเล็กที่เขาคุยสิเห็นแล้วก็คือ so the first the first vesicle you can tell that the mushroom is poison or not. So now it's like we help. Now it's like we help the trees. Okay.
มีตัวเดียวนี่เนาะ
ตัวละตัวละ It's still alive, huh?
เต้านิ้วมือเลยมั้งเหรอใหญ่ใช่ละ
This one is very light. I carry in my rucksack. Okay.
You're not sure already.
Poison to protect of themselves, and their eyes is bad. Poison snake, poison spider that actually can't see more than 4 or 5 meters. But when we eat, okay, let's say when we eat, the only point we